sewing friends, welcome to my sewing room. My name's Beth. If you're new, welcome. I'm in the mountains in Southern California during the fall and we're camping. I brought my sewing room along and I want to share my project with you today. I brought my featherweight and some 3-inch squares that I'll be sewing together, making some 4 patches, and these 4 patches I'll turn into a very simple design for a quilt. These squares are left over from a project I made almost 4 years ago, and I'll leave a link below. I made a quilt using recycled shirts, and as you can see, I am still using the squares from those shirts. I chain pieced all of the little 2 patches, and now I'll join them together into some 4 patches that will measure 5.5 inches. Here's my little pressing station in my trailer. The little ironing board is made from fabric and Insulbright. It doesn't quite fit my cutting board. Maybe one of these days I will fix that, but for right now it works just fine. For this simple quilt pattern with the 4 patches, I also need some alternate squares that are 5.5 inches, so I'm cutting those out of some stripes and also some old shirts. Quilt Design is 5 4-patches that looks like an X or a plus sign, and 4 of those alternate squares that I'm using the stripes and plaids in those 4 corners. In order to make my pattern move through the quilt, I am laying out my squares. You could either think of this design in rows. Going up and down here, you have a plain square and then a 4-patch, and then the second row has 3 4-patches and a square. I am going to construct a big block 4 by 4, and if I continue making these big blocks, I should be able to piece this quilt together, and I will end up with those squares moving through my quilt. Here's the design of the block that I will need to repeat if I want those plus signs to travel through my quilt. It's a 4 by 4 large quilt block using all of those 4 patches. I think it's a fun design. I'm going to keep sewing these squares together and maybe take some walks in this beautiful campground. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.